I believe your partner deserves a second chance.
I don't know, Rohit. And frankly, I don't even want to talk about it.
You guys have been living separately from the past few days now, and I can see you're not happy. Listen, I'm your friend. You can tell me.
But I don't know what to say, Rohit. You know, initially in the first few years, everything was so bright, nice, and romantic. And from the past few months, he has started drinking. And almost every single day, he fights with me for no apparent reason, and he just keeps shouting and shouting. Worst, he doesn't even want to listen. We were living like complete strangers in the same house. He loves his habits and his ego way more than me. How am I supposed to live with a man that I know that he doesn't care for me?
Did you speak with him lately?
Yeah, he called yesterday.
What was he saying?
The same thing, that I'm sorry, I realize this, I want to apologize for stuff, and I'll leave drinking. But I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know if I can trust him. I feel completely blank.
See, Ruchi, listen. If he's willing to quit his bad habits, and if he's sorry about it, and if he's willing to fix this relationship, then it means he cares for you and he loves you. See, there are ups and downs in every relationship, and you can't just quit when there is a down. See, when you're in a long-term commitment with someone, then you should be willing to ride the highs as well as the lows.
Yeah, I understand that. But from the past few months, it's only been lows. All the time. And why are you even taking his side?
I'm not taking anyone's side, yeah. I'm not even forcing you. I'm just saying try to fix it. Give him a second chance.
And why do you think he deserves that?
He deserves a second chance if he's taking full responsibility for hurting you and he honestly regrets what he has done. He deserves a second chance if he doesn't take advantage of your forgiveness. He deserves a second chance if he understands what you need from him and he's fulfilling it. He deserves a second chance if you're happy with him than, this relationship falling apart. He deserves a second chance if you truly believe that he'll never hurt you again. And he deserves a second chance if you really love him and you think that he's worth giving a second chance to. See, I know it's easier said than done, but running away from it won't help. If you really love him, make it work. Just remember the happy times when you guys were together. The long drives together, the walking in the park together, the cooking together, watching movies together, the fun time together. And most importantly, you guys have faced the toughest times together. And all he wants is one last chance. And believe me, if you give him another chance, is as good as giving yourself another one. Think about it.
But do you think he will change?
Honestly, I don't know. And I think even you don't know. But don't you think it's a risk worth taking? Because you guys love each other so much.
Actually, now that you say it like that, it makes sense. And maybe somewhere in my heart, I always wanted to give him a second chance, but I was just afraid. But thank you for making me realize that. You're a good friend.
Thank you. And don't waste much time. Call him.
I will.
All the best.
Thank you.
Just one chance someone needs to save a relationship and to become a better person. If you think your partner deserves a second chance, then please give them one. It'll be a chance worth giving. That's it for this week. I'll see you next Tuesday. Take care. Hi. These are very small life-inspiring stories which I'm trying to show in my videos. And if you ever feel that you need a friend to talk to about anything, then please feel free to message me. Thank you.